So in this video, I will show you step by step how you can add a stop loss and take profit to an open position on TradingView. So step number one, as you can see here, I am on a chart, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter in a market order, and I'm just going to click on buy here. So if I put in 10 units on a buy order on gold, what you will notice is that sometimes once you enter in an order, so if you have got an order in the market, right, and you are wanting to sell your position, what we need to do, so this is a buy order, and if you are wanting to sell your positions, once it gets down to your stop loss, what we need to do is we need to go ahead and add a limit order, and we want to add a buy limit. We can then put it down here, click on buy, and this would now be my stop loss. If you want it to be a sell limit for the take profit, you would do something like this and click on sell. Now this will go ahead and sell the position once it goes to our take profit. And what you'll then be able to do is add in your stop loss and your take profit. And if you don't see this, this is because of a broker issue. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.